Now there's multiple ways of importing footage into Premiere Pro, and the first one is to simply go into your project bin right here. This is where you are going to add your footage. So one of the methods is to just double click in this empty space right here, and then you will get the dialog box and you can locate your footage. So if I go into my folder here, to my footage folder, I can select one clip or multiple clips and click the import button. And then Premiere Pro will import the footage. The next way of importing footage is to go up to File, and then you can locate Import, and you will get the same options here as well. You can import one video or multiple video and then click Import. So that's pretty simple. The next way of importing footage into Premiere Pro is to use the media browser. So you can locate the media browser right here, but if you can't see it, go up to Window and find the media browser. Inside of the media browser, we can go to our folder. So just locate your folder and you can find the footage right here. And then you can just select everything and then right click, and then you can also import it this way as well. The last way of importing footage into Premiere Pro, it's one of the methods that I personally use. So I'm just having my files right here, and I'm just going to select everything and drag it into the project. But one other thing is that you can also import a folder. So let's say I want to import a whole folder, then you will also get a folder inside of the media browser right here. And that is a really good way to organize your footage when you are starting editing. To learn even more Premiere Pro basics, I got a playlist on the screen you can watch right now. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.